मुझे कुछ खाना चाहिए। आई नीड सम फूड। आई नीड सम फूड। तुम कैसे हो अभी? हाउ आर यू नाउ? हाउ आर यू नाउ? मुझे अपनी किताब चाहिए। आई नीड माई बुक। आई नीड माई बुक। तुम्हारा फोन कहाँ है? वेयर इज योर फोन? वेयर इज योर फोन? मैं ये नहीं करूँगा। आई विल नॉट डू दिस। आई विल नॉट डू दिस। आपकी मदद की ज़रूरत है। योर हेल्प इज नीडेड। योर हेल्प इज नीडेड। मुझे अभी जाना होगा। आई मस्ट गो नाउ। आई मस्ट गो नाउ। तुम्हारा पेन कहाँ है? वेयर इज योर पेन? वेयर इज योर पेन? वो मेरा दोस्त है। ही इज माई फ्रेंड। ही इज माई फ्रेंड। खाना अब तैयार है। फूड इज रेडी नाउ। फूड इज रेडी नाउ। उसने मुझे बुलाया था। ही हैड कॉल्ड मी। ही हैड कॉल्ड मी। चलो बाहर खेलने जाएं। लेट्स गो प्ले आउटसाइड। लेट्स गो प्ले आउटसाइड। क्या तुम्हें प्यास लगी? आर यू फीलिंग थ्रस्टी? आर यू फीलिंग थ्रस्टी? मैं वहां नहीं जाऊंगा। आई विल नॉट गो देयर। आई विल नॉट गो देयर। कृपया दरवाजा बंद करें। प्लीज क्लोज द डोर। प्लीज क्लोज द डोर। उसे अभी जाना होगा। ही हैज टू लीव नाउ। ही हैज टू लीव नाउ। क्या तुम ठीक हो? आर यू ओके? आर यू ओके? मैं उससे कल मिला। आई मेट हिम yesterday. आई मेट हिम yesterday. तुमने मुझे क्यों बुलाया? Why did you call me? Why did you call me? वो मुझे पसंद नहीं। I do not like him. I do not like him. चलो बाजार चलते हैं। Let's go to the market. Let's go to the market. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई। I was very happy. I was very happy. उसने मेरी मदद की। He helped me. He helped me. मैं अभी तैयार हूँ। I am ready now. I am ready now. ये काम कब खत्म होगा? When will this work finish? When will this work finish? चलो अब खाना खाएं। Let's eat now. Let's eat now. तुम्हारी घड़ी कहाँ है? Where is your watch? Where is your watch? क्या आप थक गए? Are you tired? Are you tired? तुम क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come? Why didn't you come? आज मौसम अच्छा है। The weather is good today. The weather is good today. मुझे नई किताब चाहिए। I need a new book. I need a new book. कृपया यहाँ से जाओ। Please go away from here. Please go away from here. मैं अपना बैग भूला। I forgot my bag. I forgot my bag. तुम कहाँ तक जाओगे? How far will you go? How far will you go? आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ। I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. चलो साथ में चलते हैं। Let's go together. Let's go together. आपकी बात समझ में आई. I understood what you said. I understood what you said. क्या आपने खाना खाया? Did you eat? Did you eat? मेरी घड़ी खो गई. My watch is lost. My watch is lost. तुम्हारी तबीयत कैसी है? How is your health? How is your health? उसे मेरी मदद चाहिए. He needs my help. He needs my help. कल स्कूल जाना है. I have to go to school tomorrow. I have to go to school tomorrow. तुम कल कहाँ थे? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? वो मुझसे बात करेगा. He will talk to me. He will talk to me. चलो फिल्म देखने जाएं. Let's go watch a movie. Let's go watch a movie. तुम्हारा बच्चा कैसा है? How is your child? How is your child? क्या आपके पास पैसे हैं? Do you have money? Do you have money? आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I am very happy today. I am very happy today. तुमने मुझे परेशान किया. You troubled me. You troubled me. उसने मेरी मदद मांगी. He asked for my help. He asked for my help. मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ. I am coming right now. I am coming right now. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is very important. This is very important. मुझे तुमसे कुछ कहना है. I have to tell you something. I have to tell you something. तुमने खाना खाया क्या? Did you eat your food? Did you eat your food? वो अपने घर गया. He went to his house. He went to his house. क्या तुम्हें मदद चाहिए? Do you need help? Do you need help? वो कल यहाँ था. He was here yesterday. He was here yesterday. हमें अब जाना चाहिए. We should leave now. We should leave now. तुम्हारी घड़ी टूट गई. Your watch is broken. Your watch is broken. आपको वहां जाना पड़ेगा. You will have to go there. You will have to go there. चलो अब काम करें. Let's work now. Let's work now. आपने किताब पढ़ी क्या? Did you read the book? Did you read the book? मैं तुम्हारे साथ आऊँगा. I will come with you. I will come with you. वो बहुत समझदार है. He is very smart. He is very smart. तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. हम उसे नहीं जानते. We do not know him. We do not know him. ये बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. This is very expensive. तुम अकेले क्यों हो? Why are you alone? Why are you alone? आपकी योजना क्या है? What is your plan? What is your plan? तुम्हारी कार कहाँ है? Where is your car? Where is your car? कृपया जल्दी करें. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. मुझे उस पर भरोसा है. I trust him. I trust him. तुम्हें वहां जाना चाहिए. You should go there. You should go there. उसने मेरी बात मानी. He agreed with me. He agreed with me. वो बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. He is a very good boy. He is a very good boy. तुम जल्दी में क्यों? Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a hurry? मैं उससे बात करूंगा. I will talk to him. I will talk to him. हमें जल्दी पहुंचना है. We need to arrive early. We need to arrive early. वो आपका इंतजार कर रहा है. He is waiting for you. He is waiting for you. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है? How is your mother? How is your mother? क्या हम चल सकते हैं? Can we leave? Can we leave? तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? ये वास्तव में अच्छा है. This is really good. This is really good. आज रात का खाना कहाँ? Where is dinner tonight? Where is dinner tonight? आपको ये कैसे पता? How do you know this? How do you know this? मुझे उससे कुछ कहना है. I have to tell him something. I have to tell him something. हम कब तक वापस जाएंगे? When will we return? When will we return? तुम कहाँ से आए हो? Where have you come from? Where have you come from? उसने मुझे फोन किया. He called me. He called me. आपको ये करना होगा. You will have to do this. You will have to do this. तुम्हारे पिताजी कैसे हैं? How is your father? How is your father? मैं ये समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand this. I can understand this. आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? हमें उससे मिलना होगा. We have to meet him. We have to meet him. आपने अच्छा काम किया. You did a good job. You did a good job. मैं वहां नहीं जाऊंगा. I will not go there. I will not go there. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? वो तुम्हें बुला रही है. She is calling you. She is calling you. हम देर से हैं. We are late. We are late. वे जल्द ही हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे. They will join us soon. They will join us soon. हमें कहाँ मिलना चाहिए? Where should we meet? Where should we meet? मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ. I am coming right away. I am coming right away. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? कृपया मुझे बाद में फोन करना. Please call me later. Please call me later. क्या तुम कल फ्री हो? Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? मुझे अब जाना होगा. I need to leave now. I need to leave now. तुम देर से क्यों आए? Why did you come late? Why did you come late? तुम्हारे साथ कौन जा रहा है? Who is going with you? Who is going with you? समय क्या हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? जाने का समय हो गया है. It's time to go. It's time to go. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? मेरा इंतजार करो. Wait for me. Wait for me. चलो लंच करते हैं. Let's have lunch. Let's have lunch. तुमने ये कहाँ से खरीदा? Where did you buy this? Where did you buy this? मैं अपना फोन भूल गया. I forgot my phone. I forgot my phone. क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? Do you know her? Do you know her? वो जल्द ही यहाँ होगी. She will be here soon. She will be here soon. इसकी कीमत क्या है? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? क्या तुम मुझे पता भेज सकते हो? Can you send me the address? Can you send me the address? मैं रास्ते में हूँ. I am on my way. I am on my way. कृपया धीरे बोलो. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. That sounds great. That sounds great. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does this mean? What does this mean? मुझे यकीन नहीं है. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. क्या तुम वो दोहरा सकते हो? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? मैं 5 मिनट में वहां आऊंगा. I'll be there in 5 minutes. I'll be there in 5 minutes. ये तुम्हें किसने बताया? Who told you that? Who told you that? ये बहुत महंगा है. That's too expensive. That's too expensive. मैं रास्ता भटक गया. I lost my way. I lost my way. कृपया इसे लिख दो. Please write it down. Please write it down. क्या तुमने वो सुना? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you be back? When will you be back? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I don't understand. I don't understand. कृपया मुझे समझाइए. Please explain it to me. Please explain it to me. ये तो मुझे चाहिए था. That's exactly what I need. That's exactly what I need. तुम कहाँ थे? Where have you been? Where have you been? मुझे लगता है कि तुम सही कह रहे हो. I think you are right. I think you are right. मैं तुमसे कैसे संपर्क कर सकता हूँ? How can I reach you? How can I reach you? अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now?